Alright, just got our charging station because we are out of juice in our car right now, and look how small it is. So simple, negative, positive, plug it in and you're set. Regular power. All right, this is for a 12 volts, so it's going to be for cars, RVs, pretty much any battery that you have. Standard is a 12 volt battery for cars. Right now we completely out of juice, so we're going to use this right now. Just make sure you don't touch these when they're on. Plug this in and this should give you power. So we're going to test it out, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. The car is dead completely. Day is night right now, so that's pretty much it. Car won't even start, doesn't even click anymore. Battery's completely dead, so we're gonna give some juice. Of course, this is gonna take some time, so we're gonna go ahead and start right now. All right, so we just plug in the negative. The negative is the black one, positive is on this side, but I couldn't get it on the whole battery for some reason. I'm gonna grab it on the side. All right, should be enough. It's making contact. This one got the whole battery, so let's try that out. Finally got it there. You guys can see it. So we're gonna leave it there for an hour at least. All right, and then see if it gives any kind of juice. We plugged it in here to our power, so I do have another option too, but we're gonna wait to see. I'm gonna give it an hour. All right, the process took about 24 hours, to be honest with you. I left overnight, and I wasn't afraid of overcharging because the thing has a safety mechanism. Here I am washing the car because it was ready to go, ready to run, but it's one of those things that I just want to make sure that this thing is going to work properly, and it did. It just didn't take an hour. It actually took longer. Like I said, I left it overnight. It could have been 4 or 5 hours, and I probably started, but I waited 24 hours. So if you guys are looking for a great product like this, I mean, simple to keep around for emergencies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.